business insurance requirements for businesses. Hello, I'm Finale Moladina, and today I'm continuing our segment of incorporating a new business in Canada. I wanted to touch on a topic today that many people might not think about, and that's insurances. So whenever starting a business, you got to really assess the risk of the business. And once you do that, you may determine, hey, you know what, I need to be protected. Of course, many people are familiar with homeowners insurance, vehicle insurance. If you own a building and you're starting a business, you need insurance for that commercial space. But there's some other things you need to really consider. First big one is key man insurance. So if you're starting a business, you're the main individual working, you got to really start to think, what happens if something happens to you as an individual? As I've previously mentioned, a corporation is a separate entity. So if something happened to you, the company stays alive. Where key man insurance comes in is that means the company would be entitled to insurance payment to help find a replacement for you. It's very important if you're the business owner to make sure that your family can still earn a living from the business that you've built up. Other factors you need to consider, like I said, if you have a space and you have your physical space, you need to have insurance for that. You might be leasing a space and you need to make sure that you have insurances for liability in case somebody slips on the floor outside, if somebody trips in your office. And another big one that many people forget is WCB. So if you are in an industry, which most people are, where you actually have a WCB requirement, well, in those instances, you need to be registered for WCB, which is an insurance for your employees. If they get injured on the job, they're able to make a claim against WCB to be able to compensate themselves while they're off away from work. So it's very important when you're starting a business in Canada, really look at all your different risks. And once you do that, really think about what insurances you need in place. I touched on a few, but there's obviously very many more. And as always, if you ever need help with any of this or want to discuss further, feel free to reach out. Thank you.